Hi guys, so in this tutorial I will show you on how to land. So now we are ready for our checklist to landing. So first I'll go to the easiest to help me watch this. So just compass R is just going to help me navigate to the landing. So now the visuals is around 5 kilometer. It's quite short, but it's okay. So we just turn on everything that is important. For example, I'm on autopilot right now, so I just lowered my speed to around 190, 180 if I'm on approach. Somewhere near, then later I will reduce it more to 170. The reason I'm reducing my speed is I need to lower my flaps for landing, which is around 3 flaps 3 I'll be using. So in order for you to use your or extend your flaps, you need to reduce your speed. There's a speed limit for each flaps being used. So you can refer it over here. They will show, for example, you can see the first flap, second flap, and third flap. You need to be below the maximum speed stated here. Oh, it's quite hazy. We're now at 33,500 feet above the ground. So it's time for us to make auto brakes on. Don't forget your landing lights. Once your speed is low, then we can turn on extend our flaps to 2, around 2. So usually before I will take over from autopilot, I will just push the approach button so that the autopilot will help me to align with the runway automatically. Usually once I have entered the red triangle over here, then I will take over from the autopilot. So the flaps is ready. Speed has been reduced. I will reduce more to 180 and make flaps to 3. So we're just going to run through. Since if you need help, since we can just turn HUD. Also, flight path vector. This will help you a lot more during landing. Just check everything. Landing lights on, passengers light, seat belts. Okay, so everything is good. And then okay, all right, we have entered. And we are around 3,400 feet above the ground. We do not have the visuals on the runway yet. Okay, we can see there's lighting for the runway up above. So this is where I can take over from the autopilot. I'll just set the trim to around 8. I'll take over the autopilot. Autopilot off. You can see there's a circle there, which we call as the FPV or the flight path vector. That one will help you on the landing. I did something is off about the wind. I think we need just check with the weather.
2,500.
Okay, the wind gust is on. That's the reason we are swaying left and right. Right. Everything's good. Quite good now. Oh yeah, the weather is much more better. So now I think I need to add a little more bit off. Yeah, 2,500. Quite high. Need to reduce it. We just need to follow the green triangle on your right. That is where it indicates the position you should be or the altitude you should be for landing. And if you are about near, then you can see the puppy lights. Remember, it must be 2 red and 2 white, meaning you are right on the glide path. all reds it means you are too low, all whites meaning you are too high. I think it's good. Usually I will extend my landing gear down at around 2000 feet or 2500, around 2500. It's quite late now, it's okay, still good. You can see all red, so meaning that we need to a little bit down. Okay, now it's all white, just now meaning too high, need to a little bit down. Now it's good. Too red, too white.
1000.
All right. A little bit to the right. We need to a little bit to the right. There's no wind. It's good. If it's windy or there's a crosswind during landing, then it's a little bit of
500.
tricky.
400. 300. 200. 100.
Okay.
50. 40. 30. 20.
All
10.
right.
Retard.
Touchdown.
Retard.
Let's align a bit to the runway. We're a bit off. You can stop your reverse thrust once your speed is about around 60. Then you may use the, and then you wait until you can get off from the runway as quickly as possible. Then you apply some brakes. Make it around the speed around 40 to 30. 30 should be fine. All right, speed is good. Yep. Then you may continue. Then you just retract your flaps, trims, spoil arm distance off. Don't forget your strobe light and also the landing light. Turn it off. Usually for the interface, I will turn off, make it to HUD map so that I can see the map here. I'll know where to navigate around the airport. Much more better lah. And then I'll turn on my APU on. Start it first, because later we'll be needing to turn off the engine. Seatbelt sign can turn off. You can either turn one of it off or you can leave it on and then turn it once you are around at the gate. I think that's all. That's all for the landing tutorial. Up next, I will share with you on how to park at the gate. That's a system assistant for you to park at the gate. I will show you on how to navigate around that, and also that's upcoming. I will also show you on how to land using autopilot. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.